How is ever this? Is, oh, there it is. I was wondering, how's everybody's coding skills per se?
I'm pretty good at it. Like, I'm
Okay.
adaptable. So I should be able to figure this thing out.
Yeah, adaptable. That's probably a good word. We'll all be fine.
All right,
Yeah.
so we should.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie and say I'm mediocre. There's a reason why I'm IT and not CS.
Yeah.
I just switched over to IT because of the math stuff mostly. I'm good at
God,
coding.
that too.
Right. A lot of people feel like that did that. Yeah.
I mean, honestly, I did it because of the coding, and then I realized, oh yeah, I still have to take junior level coding classes, which make no sense to me.
Right.
Mm.
Like, I'm planning on going into networking with routing and such.
Mm-hmm.
So not much coding there, but
All right.
what can you do?
Yeah.
So we should talk about what this dynamics thing actually is.
Yeah.
Just so that we have like all a pretty
Yeah, we don't want to go
entry understanding.
We shouldn't go talk to our client and be like, yeah, we don't know anything about this.
Right.
Who are you?
Same with this scaled agile for the enterprise.
Yeah, I remember learning about that in project management, but it was like one chapter.
Right. Yeah, I don't remember anything about it really.
Yeah, I remember doing like a quiz over it, but that was a while back. It feels like forever ago.
But I'm looking into it right now, and basically it seems to be a platform with it's like a cloud platform kind of thing.
Right.
With a ton of different interconnecting, I guess, modules. Stuff like you can document your finance, you can document your marketing, your product insights, sales insight, just all this stuff.
I was gonna say, I'm looking at a model of it right now, and it's just a bunch of little bits that everybody can do into one big bit.
Yeah,
makes everything easier.
They can all interconnect and whatnot.
Yeah.
And it seems like the business that we're going to be working for, which is Vercom, I think.
Mm-hmm. They're a publishing company, right?
It might
something
be.
like that. I remember him talking about them like publishing paper. Oh, printing.
Yeah, I'm doing a printing. Okay, cool.
Is it Vercom Inc?
Yeah, I think so.
So who has the actual report pulled up?
Is it this?
Yeah, I looked at Vercom, and
I don't think
it looks to be like a communication construction service.
It's probably Vercom Systems.
Yeah, maybe.
It might be, I feel like it's that one. The other one looked.
Getting the most out of your phone system.
Is it this?
I see Vercom Systems, West Carrollton, Ohio.
Oh yeah, and even in the description here, it says Vercom, which owns the Primac MRP product for the printing business. So let's look at that. Primac MRP. Okay. So Primac.
Oh, there's a link straight to Vercom. You type in Primac MRP.
Oh yeah.
Cool. Okay.
Yeah, I found it. Primac BC.
Learn more.
And it seems like so wait, is Primac a company or
I think it's it's this program.
Yeah. So we basically have to I think it's a program that's built on the
it says,
Dynamics already. Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, it says Primac MRP capabilities built around the Microsoft Dynamics Business Control ERP.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And yeah, it says that on the site for the Primac MRP as well. So basically it seems like we have to work with the framework that they've already made.
Mm-hmm.
If,
which might be kind of tricky because we have to understand how that works on top of the
I was gonna say,
dynamics.
luckily we have a year to learn it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whole semester, yeah. Well, yeah, 2 semesters, I guess.
Yeah, this semester is pretty much
And we'll be
playing
working
now.
on this during winter break,
Yeah,
probably.
planning it out. Mhm. Architect, develop, and integrate the following solution components into Dynamics PC.
It'll be interesting, to say the least. Part of me hopes the notoriety for this thing is somewhere near like what Don Ward's was.
Mm-hmm.
Because imagine being like a part of that, something like that. I mean, the notoriety would skyrocket, yeah.
I mean, it's definitely better than working on like one of the UNT projects.
Or like Chef Kathy's thing.
Yeah.
That was kind
That thing, like, it comes from a good place, but it also just seemed a little bit out there.
Yeah.
Either way. I mean, this one seems interesting to say the least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm
Fuck
sure
the
once we
UNT.
talk to him more.
Right. Right.
He hasn't emailed me back yet.
And if he's
I'm sure I
Ohio,
actually sent it. Yeah, I did send it. Okay.
if
what
he's
now?
Ohio, what time zone is Ohio? Is that central?
I think they're still central. Let's see.
They're an hour ahead.
Oh, are they
Oh,
really?
they're in East Coast? Okay.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're an
they are
hour
an hour
ahead.
ahead. Yep. Okay, so yeah, he might be in meetings or something. That's fine. Hopefully by the end of the day, he can get back to me.
Oh, hopefully.
Yeah.
Power Pals.
I'm trying to figure out the scaled agile thing and still working on that. Seems it's probably a bit more complicated than I can just figure out in a few minutes here, but
Mhm. Isn't it just agile, but like on a bigger scale?
I would think so.
I think that's what I remember from it. Well, obviously it's in the name, but
I was gonna say. Pointed out the obvious.
yeah.
What was it? It's like, what's the difference between a baked apple and a regular apple?
Yeah.
Well, at least Vic, this class will be better than the last one we were in together.
For sure.
I wonder if I wonder if he even still works for UNT.
He does. He's doing other classes. I told my friends not to take it. I have a couple of CS friends that are doing their software engineering class, and they'd rather take the 3-hour once a week class than the twice a week class with him.
I was gonna say, if they took it with him, they're gonna hear his stories about how.
Nah, I told him.
Where did he work?
He
told us like
IBM
60
or whatever.
times.
He told us a million
IBM.
times.
With who?
Doran.
Doran, worst
Doran.
professor
Okay,
ever.
Doran. That's good that I haven't had him then.
Well,
Yeah,
I think he came last semester, and he taught over in McKinney, and it was
okay.
like a 3-hour class that was just nightmarish.
Yeah. He wasn't a very good professor. Like he knew a lot about the industry and like what he did and stuff, but he just didn't know how to like teach it, and his expectations for us weren't realistic.
Oh yeah.
So it just wasn't a very good experience.
The only expectation he had, which was realistic, was he said, "I'm not going to use a browser, like one of those lockdown browsers for your test, because I know will find a way to cheat through it."
Wow.
So he's like open book tests.
That's right. You had him twice, right?
Yeah. I think I passed both those classes with a B though, and like I just did not deserve a B. He just said fuck it at that point. Worst professor. Oh god, remember the bird too?
Oh yeah, his parrot in the background during his Zoom meetings. Yeah.
God. Either way, it's hard to get distracted. But
You're finishing the deliverable plan, right?
Say that
Can
again?
you say that again?
Are we finishing the deliverable plan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
hey, that's due tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We also have the report coming up and stuff.
All right. So we should probably figure out things to do.
Yeah, we have a
Tasks.
project plan, the Gantt chart, and some other stuff.
Right, and well, I guess we can't really do any of that right now until we've spoken
Yeah.
with the guy.
Yeah.
It might be a good idea for us to compile some information on both the Dynamics platform and the Scaled Agile framework.
Sure.
Just like maybe a few paragraphs on each.
Mhm. Should we base it off the Primac website or like directly from the Dynamics website?
Let's go with
Probably the Primac one, right?
Yeah, do they have any details on?
Sort of, just like higher level stuff, like project
Yeah, I see that.
scheduling, the shop floor stuff.
Gotcha. Oh wait.
This is weird because I'm looking at their website and it says it does project scheduling, shop floor,
Yeah.
job costing. And isn't that what they want us to do?
I don't know.
Let me see.
I thought that's what it said in the
It's-
Yeah, it
I
has
think
all the things.
maybe
that
they
we're
have those in.
supposed to do.
This is on the description on Canvas. It says the project to architect, develop, and integrate the following solution components into Dynamics BC: project scheduling, shop floor management, job costing, and item management.
Okay.
but
Which-
that's already on here from the looks
Yeah.
of it. Maybe that's just something, I don't know. That just confuses us even more.
Maybe we just have to build on what they already have.
Make it better.
Just fix
Yeah.
things. I mean,
We
they
should know
already
where
put
we
their
need 'em.
issues here. Maybe, I mean, I'm sure the guy can tell us better, obviously, but
It says why not the best production management MRP built around Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Jobs under the BC extension will be retrieved. No, that's not even saying what's wrong with it. Why does it say why not the best?
why not the
I think it's
best?
like saying, why not get the best?
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, that's worded kind of weird.
Yeah.
Why not the best?
Well, why not the best? I mean, why not?
It's so small though.
It's so small and grayed out. It's like,
Yeah, it's like the fine print.
exactly.
They just hit it up there. They don't want you realizing that it's not the best.
That'll be interesting.
Mm-hmm. All right. Hunter, are you still capable of doing scribe duties?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I guess you still have your computer.
Yeah. I'm recording on my computer and talking through my phone.
It's funny.
All right, so I guess we can work out this deliverable report.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oops.
For tasks.
So maybe we should
So we have a project plan to do. That's gonna have like lots of stuff on it.
right.
Where did that go?
Well, I think for
The deliverable report is just the project plan, just upgraded.
Mm-hmm.
And status report 2, pretty much status report 1, but with the Gantt chart.
Yeah, and we'll wait to do all that stuff until we've spoken with the guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, how about just to give us some busy work to actually put onto the deliverable plan, we can maybe each of us can compile like a little bit of information on either Dynamics or on the framework.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Just so that we can like all you
Yeah,
know
'cause-
compile some information on it and be on the same page.
Yeah, he mentioned that we don't, on the deliverable plan for the project plan, we don't have to fill out the entire thing.
Yeah, we don't.
Oh, gotcha.
Let me see.
We just need to assign tasks and complete them by the time we do the next report.
Mhm.
Right.
I guess a test we can do is a project plan, because we have to get like the guy's info and a whole bunch of other stuff for that.
Was he not going to move this back? Or did he already move it back?
I think
Like
he
push it
moved
back
back.
the date.
He just moved back the last one we had to turn in.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't think he's
This
moved this
one's
one
still
back
due
yet.
tomorrow.
I feel like all the
That's
the
weird because
dates. I feel like all the due dates for this class are a little up in the air as of right now. Because
he said he
Yeah.
wanted us to contact the client by the end of the week. I wonder if other groups have even talked to theirs yet.
Yeah, I have no clue.
No idea.
Trying to figure out his schedule is going to be.
hopefully he actually looks at his email and he won't just see us and be like, "Oh, junk."
All right. Yeah, he still hasn't replied yet.
All right, so let's assign some tasks real quick so we can wrap
Sure.
up.
Yeah, so we can turn it in.
All right, anyone want to handle just some like basic summary of dynamics?
I can do that.
All right.
Are you getting tasks from the project plan? Like, let me see, because we have the deliverable we're supposed to turn in, but on the project plan it shows like a rubric. Like, are those tasks we can just fill into this?
Okay.
Yeah. Like task definition, schedule,
risk.
Yeah, like are those tasks technically? If that makes sense. I don't know.
I mean, look at the outline.
Yeah, where's this?
It's
What module?
It's under module. It says upcoming assignments project plan. Then it has a rubric right below it.
Gotcha.
Like I don't know if he wants us to, because this is the deliverable plan.
Oh yeah, the rubric. I see that.
Project plan outline.
I should probably email him as well about the status report.
Oh, to include you or whatever.
Yeah, and just tell him, hey, you put me into the group after.
Yeah.
After we already done it, yeah.
Well, yeah, I mean, I was a part of a group, and I guess we ran out of projects, and we turned in our stuff, and he just split us up and was like, all right, bye.
That might be why. Yeah, because on the project plan outline it says there's a statement of work, work breakdown structure, Gantt chart. I'm sure there's probably an SRS we have to do, unless that's later. So I mean, we could put those as tasks.
I think that we should figure all that stuff out next meeting.
Next meeting, okay.
Let's just focus on the deliverable plan that's due tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can get that paragraph for you.
All right, cool. And can someone do a paragraph or two on the scaled agile framework too?
I can do that. Yeah.
No, just explain what it is.
Yeah, pretty much just explaining what it is. What we're working with.
I'm just gonna open Notepad.
It's all going in a project plan, right?
It's going
This
in
is
the
on
deliverable plan.
Deliverable plan, yeah.
Let me pull it up. Oh, is this going in the description of deliverable?
I think so, yeah. Or no, this is the tasks. Down that table
the
there.
tasks.
Yeah. And then we can each I don't know, just so that everyone has something to do. We can fill out the task list a little bit. How about we have 2 people compile separate paragraphs on each of these things.
Okay.
That way, we can
Being safe,
basically,
yeah.
you know, have a more thorough understanding. Maybe one person will pick up on different things than the other. So yeah, how about that? I'll take dynamics as well.
Huh?
And,
I was making noises. Sorry.
no, all good. So I'll take dynamics as well. Who hasn't gotten a paragraph to write yet? Was that Hunter?
Yeah, I don't have one yet.
Yeah.
I
Can
can do
you get us like a paragraph or two on just like a basic summary of the Scaled Agile framework?
Scale Agile Farmer.
Yeah.
Can you have one other thing in there? In the description? Let me see.
You get something to write with.
Yeah, I can check real quick.
Yes, maybe just one about Microsoft Dynamics.
Yeah. And we've already got 2 people on that.
Oh, that's right, though.
Yeah, and there's also the, you know, Primac MRP, but I'm pretty sure that we'll figure all that stuff out whenever we
Actually
piece
speak to
together
him.
how dynamics works. Like, it doesn't seem very complicated.
Mhm.
I was gonna say, are we working with Primac, or is that something that they've just created that we're just looking into?
I think that we're building on top of it, from what I can tell.
So I'm doing Agile Framework, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
For the Scaled Agile framework.
Are we gonna do that all in the same call right now, or are we going to disperse and then do it?
We can disperse and do it, and just
Yeah, I was gonna say I
give-
gotta go pick my grandmother up from dialysis.
all good.
Okay, perfect. I will see you guys next time. I'll have that to you by the end
All right,
of the
sweet.
day, for sure.
All right, cool.
Right, peace, guys.
See ya.
Who's doing the Deliverable Plan as a deliverable manager?
I can do that if no one's volunteered for it. Because
Yeah,
you're the project
that
manager, right, Kyle?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
so you-
don't
That
we
way you
also
can
have
share your screen.
don't we have a deliverable manager?
Yeah, isn't it that?
I think that's a separate guy.
Is that separate from the other one?
I think so.
Deliverable Manager just does the deliverable report.
Oh, wait,
Yeah,
what did you
so-
say then? I must be getting confused with something else.
Oh, we're gonna turn in the deliverable plan,
Mhm.
Yeah.
and I think that I'll look it up in the Discord.
We can pull up the Word document and share the screen so we
That
can
too,
work
yeah.
on it.
Was that a unkempt Samuel?
That's me.
Okay. Oh yeah, and you're the
Oh, I
scribe.
thought I had my name changed. Oh, that's just my normal. name.
I think I found a good website for scaled agile framework.
I'm looking at Atlassian. I think.
This is a website I see for scaled agile framework.
Why is it not showing? Oh, there we go. Now I see it.
Has some brief information, I guess.
Okay, so real quick. So Victor, are you unkempt Samuel?
Yes, that's me.
All right, gotcha. So do you have the deliverable plan up right now?
Yes, I do.
Okay, do you mind just kind of filling this out?
Sure.
Appreciate it.
Draft due date.
The draft due date should be.
Would that be tomorrow?
I'm not
Isn't
sure.
an hour
Is
due date or something?
that the due
I know
date
final
for...
due date is tomorrow.
Yeah.
Definitely like that.
I guess that's the same for final approved.
I imagine. Yeah.
Hmm.
Isn't draft gonna be today then?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put today.
Deliverable name can be, I guess, project plan.
It's project simulation. I don't know. It's just something better.
Are you able to share your screen?
I can, yeah.
Be easier to see what you're doing.
Exactly. Let me share mine. Oh, it says host disabled, participant screen sharing.
Let me see if I can fix.
It's probably disabled by default, I'd imagine.
Now try.
All right. There we go. Should I do the whole screen or just the Word
I
document?
mean, just the words.
Does it
fine.
matter? Okay.
Yeah, word
Yeah,
fine.
not a whole lot.
Can y'all see that? Did I do it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, I can rename this. I didn't know what else to name it.
Yeah, we could just I don't know, like initial research or something like that.
That sounds better. Draft approval, I imagine it's the same day.
Yeah, I think so. We can piece together what exactly these things mean later.
Overall description of deliverable. To research.
figure out who does that.
What was it, Primac? Or Dynamics? My bad. Dynamics.
We also have a scaled agile framework.
And maybe just at the end there, tack on
Mhm.
like before our meeting with the sponsor.
Yeah, then we'll decide who does like a Gantt chart and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
I guess everyone can work on a project plan.
Do we submit one? Do we all have to submit that, or is it just one person? Just one person, right?
Yeah, just
Yeah,
one person needs to submit this. And it doesn't all need to be filled out.
Yeah. Let's save. Let's save this.
All right, and when should we do this by?
Yeah, I was gonna say, what's the
We
due
wanna
date?
have
I
it
mean,
before the meeting.
yeah. Let me. He still hasn't replied. I don't think. I mean, I can't even like try to guess when. I mean, I don't have to put an actual date. I can just put before a sponsor meeting, I guess. I don't know. Unless you guys want an actual date,
Let's get an
just
actual
for
date. It's like
normalization.
Next week, maybe?
Yeah, I was gonna say by like the end of next week, or that's kind of late. Maybe by
yeah,
the
'cause
next
we're not
class
sure
meeting
when this
by
meeting's
Tuesday.
gonna be.
Yeah,
Can we just do like tomorrow or something?
just do tomorrow, just to be safe. That's
Because
what
I do want to
initially
have that
said.
meeting with him like pretty soon.
As soon as possible. Same.
Yeah.
Same. Deliver date.
I
Today, right? Or
I'm not sure.
just day of
That might be like
the same day.
when it was turned in.
Mhm.
Let's just ignore that for now. I'm sure
Okay.
all this stuff will make sense later.
I know. Once we do a couple more. And I think
we got,
Nick was doing this, right?
yeah, I think so, yeah. And then I was doing it.
You were doing it too, that's right.
Yeah.
And Hunter.
And then me and, yeah. And we gotta probably give something to Jonathan too.
Notes, skip that.
Just
Yeah,
I don't know,
that's
write in the
fine,
notes
yeah.
something like compile a few paragraphs on X. Or like compile a few paragraphs of basic information.
We're just gonna do the research in like Word or something.
Research, yeah. I was just typing
Right.
it up on Notepad and then just
Yeah,
or Word, I
exactly.
guess.
Just, like,
Whatever you like. Yeah.
in the Discord or something.
Mm-hmm.
Or do we have like a group on Canvas?
Oh yeah, we do.
By default, yeah, we should have one. If under people,
We might be able to just
Oh, yeah, we
post them
do.
in the group there.
Can we do that? Is that a thing?
You want to do like a
Yeah.
Google Docs?
Yeah, we can just go to, let's see,
Oh yeah,
go
yeah,
to
we
people,
Mhm.
groups,
upload files.
PowerPoint.
Where do you see that? Oh, files.
Yeah.
Yeah,
sweet.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, files.
So would you
You
want
can
us to upload it there then?
Yeah, just like upload a text file or like a Word file or something like that.
Okay, I can switch it back to Word if that's easier.
Yeah,
Yeah.
each of us can just publish a Word file there of our descriptions.
And can you add
Oh,
that
that-
onto the notes real quick?
Sure.
So that,
Yeah, it's on recording too.
yeah.
My
that's
bad. I had the tab down. Yeah, I can put that on.
1 to 2 paragraphs, right?
Maybe like 2 to 3 paragraphs, just to give us a better idea. They don't have to be huge paragraphs though, but
Yeah, I should be able to do that tomorrow.
cool. And maybe we
Yeah.
can get Jonathan to do the same thing for Primac.
Yeah, want me to add that in there?
Yeah.
Define primate. Yeah.
Caps. Primac PC. Should I just leave it at Primac? This is basically, they have the description right here. I'm gonna save these links. I'm gonna bookmark this. Primac BC. Same dates.
Yeah. Same dates. Oh, there's an H.
No H.
Yeah.
There you go. Now I'll figure out this recording stuff.
Yeah. Primac BC. Will we upload it now, or just wait till it's finished? Evaluation of personal about deliverables matrix.
Yeah, I don't think that we need to fill that one out yet.
Yeah, I don't think these.
We could probably just fill out team member section just to have it.
Oh, right. Weedy?
Yeah.
Jonathan. Kogi, I think.
Adagoke, I think.
Adagoke. Yeah. Adagoke. Task assign number from above. I guess we can number
One for
these.
each of us, right?
Yeah, one for each.
Oh, yeah. It says task number. Okay, gotcha.
So we just put a number here, just oops. I guess that's implied as one. I'll just put one. Should I just put the number of what it is?
Yeah.
You're doing 1, me and Hunter doing 2. I'm hoping that's implied. Maybe I should write a 3 somewhere up there. Stop tabbing over.
I think, yeah, if you just hit.
Just no space. Or double tab. Percentage complete. Do we need that?
Yeah.
That
percentage
stuff
completed.
isn't.
Yeah, I mean, we haven't
It's-
completed any of this.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Do we
I think we're
add
good there.
project plan as a tab?
Yeah. Because that's
Because we'll have to
we're-
complete that
Yeah.
by the time we do this report.
Because that's on.
I guess all of us can work on that.
That we'd have to split up in and of itself.
We will have to
We
have
have to
another
split it up.
meeting, right? Before
Yeah,
we
for
have to
sure.
turn in that thing.
Yeah, for sure.
So
Because
maybe
we at least need to
consider
be
that for the. Oh,
for the next deliverable plan. You think?
maybe.
Let
Let
me
me
see
check
when the
the.
next one.
Right, if it happens
Yeah.
before the project plan.
True. The next one is due the 28th. Is that what you said?
The project plan, yeah.
Project plan is due the 28th. Does
That's
it say
the
when
one
our
where
next
we have to
deliverable
do
is?
Got it. And oh yeah, the next deliverables after.
After that?
Yeah, that's why I was
Yeah.
Okay, so
saying
yeah, we
maybe
can.
put project
You can
plan
just put it
as
on
a
just in
task
case.
Yeah, let's just
We can
add
do
that
it.
on
It
there.
doesn't hurt to add it on there.
and like
Yeah.
assign it
With the due
to
date.
everyone so everyone can
was-
work on it. We can maybe do that in like Google Docs
Yeah, I like doing Google Docs stuff.
so we all can work on it whenever.
Yeah. 28th. Yeah. I mean, could a task be to meet with our client? Could we list that as a task or no?
I mean, I guess you can. I'm not sure how necessary it is, but
True. It's not really a due date. I'm just gonna add it in. I'm not gonna fill out the other columns.
might as well be thorough.
We don't even know when that will be. I hope he reaches back to me. I'll let y'all know as soon as I get the email. See what he says. Is he the guy? He's like a little older guy, the one that presented it? Kind of older?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the one I'm thinking of. I know a lot of them were, but he was like a skinnier guy. I think.
Yeah, I can always
Didn't he have an
watch
accent?
that
An accent?
meeting.
Was it the one with the accent? Did he have an accent?
He had white hair.
He had white hair. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I think I'm thinking of the same guy. I was trying to put a face to.
I know. I don't know if we need to add Gantt chart to a task.
That one might be for the next.
Yeah, we're
Because
still in
that's-
process of figuring that out.
Mhm. Because that's going to be inside of the project plan.
It should be status report.
Mhm.
Project plan's the thing we have to get the client info and all that crap.
Oh, right. You're right. You're right.
A status report is pretty much going over what we've been doing for like 2 weeks.
From the last status report.
That's pretty much what the scribe does, like summarize what we've been doing in 2 weeks and problems and whatnot.
Right.
Whenever you upload the deliverable plan, do you mind also putting it into the group files?
And yeah, sure.
Oh, we can do that from now on too.
Yeah.
I could put the status reports in there too each time.
All right, cool. And I have folders that we can put them all in. Stay nice and organized.
Want me to upload it there first?
Yeah.
Files.
I could probably add the
Oh, nice. You got the little file. That's awesome. Upload. All right. It's uploaded.
I would probably add the first status report that we did in there since it's already done.
You want me to go ahead and upload it to the assignment, or just wait?
Yeah, we might as well, right?
Yeah, it looks fun to me. I mean,
yeah, it looks perfect.
Okay.
There you go. I added the first status report to it.
Sweet.
That we did.
Nice. I see it. Yeah, we got 2 gigs. Hopefully that's enough.
I feel like it.
I feel like
probably will
that'll
be.
be enough. Yeah. I mean, who knows? The SRS stuff and all those documents might get pretty big, but I doubt too big. We will have any
There's
videos up on
the
there.
other assignment that we did from that one time,
Mhm.
project and team formation.
Yeah. There it is.
I put that on there.
Oh, right. Deliverable plan. Did he specify what document? He doesn't care if it's PDF, I'm assuming.
All right, so we're putting on summaries under platform summaries.
Yeah.
Okay. Simple enough.
Okay, I submitted it.
All right. Awesome. Well, I guess that's everything then, right?
Yeah, we got
Yeah.
everything organized.
All right,
Yeah.
good stuff.
And
Well,
now
I'll see you
each
guys.
time we finish the assignment, we'll just put it
Yeah.
on there.
Yeah, just keep us updated in the Discord. Tell us when we're gonna. Or wait.
When the contact
Yeah.
contacts
yeah.
me or whatever.
When the
Yeah.
contact-
As soon as I get it, I'll let y'all know what he says. And hopefully he responds like kind of thoroughly and not just like, hey, yeah, that's me or whatever. So I don't have to keep sending him emails.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. Like if he tells me, oh yeah, I can meet at this time or whatever, that'd be great.
Right.
And I'll ask you guys if that'll work and so on, vice versa.
We can maybe add him to the Discord
Get add him
group.
to the chat, yeah. If he uses it, I'm sure he might. He knows what it is.
Yeah, I mean, he's working in IT. He's
Yeah, I
probably
imagine
right.
he use it. Probably.
All right. I will see you guys around.
Yeah.
Hopefully, we
sounds
can
good.
have this meeting soon.
Yeah, hopefully.
All right,
Hopefully.
see ya.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. See you guys.
Let me stop recording.